So here, as you can see, I'm just basically starting at the bottom, creating a guideline. I'm using a brow pencil from Walgreens by Rimmel. It's $5. And so I'm just, again, starting at the bottom, and then I just start on the top and meet at my highest point and just bring it down. And basically just begin filling in. And again, I start at the bottom. And if you notice, I didn't start with the line all the way at the beginning. I kind of started back some so that it can mimic a natural gradient brow. As you can see, I used to have an eyebrow piercing there, so it's kind of that scar there. And hair never grows back in that area. And so I'm just basically using a flat brush with MAC's Studio Finish Concealer in NW35. And I'm just tracing, cleaning the brow up. And I have this weird thing where I just have to kind of pull the skin taut, and then it makes me have an easier, I guess, way to blend it. I just always have to do that. It's just a weird thing. And I'm just blending it out with my finger. And again, I'm feeling like I have to pull the skin tight. And just cleaning it up. And blending it down. Using the Studio Finish Concealer in NW35 from MAC. And just making sure it's blended out. And I go on top with the MAC Pro Longwear concealer in NC45. And I just blend that out with my finger. And do the same to the other side. Again, using the MAC Pro Longwear concealer. And I find that real easy to blend with my finger. So then I use my Laura Mercier powder, and I just kind of set that so that it's blended in and not have that halo effect. And I'm just kind of pulling it in the opposite direction to make it look as natural as possible and not so squared off. And then I go back halfway to kind of deepen, to mimic a natural brow, because you want it to appear lighter at the beginning and then kind of darker toward the middle to the end. And so at this point, I've done my contour and everything. And once I contour my nose, I blend that powder. I use a shadow from MAC, and I blend that into my brow to kind of soften it some more. And the shadow that is used is Chocolate by MAC. And that's how I do my brows. Thank you for watching.